Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the problem of a Binance deposit not received and how to recover funds from a Binance exchange. Now to do this, it's very easy. You just need to open your Binance account on your computer. You can also do that in your phone. So just go to this web browser and then scroll down to find the support section. So scroll down till the end of the page and here you will see this support section. So click on Support Center. Now, once you have clicked here, you will find the self-services button. So just search for the crypto deposit not arrived. Now, if it doesn't appear on the first page, just go to this little arrow here and then search for it again. Now let's go here, crypto deposit not arrived. And here it will ask you, do you know the reason why your deposit hasn't arrived? For this example, I will choose the forgot or filled in wrong memo slash tag. So why am I choosing this option for the tutorial? It's just to be like really broad and give a solution to as many people as I can, because the most common problem for a Binance deposit that has not been received is that you have forgot or filled in a wrong memo slash tag. So let's click on it right here and then click on submit appeal. Now here, choose your coin or token. For example, if you have done your transaction with USDT, and then go to deposit amount and write your deposit amount. Let's say, for example, 37.5. Now for the most important part, it's the transaction ID slash transaction hash. Now to enter it, you just need to go to the platform where you have sent your coin basically, and you will find the transaction hash as you can see on the screen right now. So this transaction hash is the one that you want to copy and enter here. So yeah, that's it. Now once you have entered it, let's just enter something random, and here you just need to click on submit and the Binance support will be back to you in a few days or a few hours if you are lucky. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.